Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a power steering pump. First, gather all your necessary tools, such as a wrench set, a drain pan, and fresh power steering fluid. Next, safely lift the front of your vehicle using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands. Always remember to disconnect the negative terminal of your battery before starting any work for your safety. Now, let's get to removing the old pump. Position your drain pan beneath the pump to collect the old power steering fluid. Carefully loosen the tensioner and remove the serpentine belt from the pump's pulley. Then, disconnect both the high pressure and return lines, being mindful of any residual fluid. Finally, unbolt the pump from its mounting brackets and remove it from the engine bay. With the old pump out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new power steering pump and secure it to its mounting brackets on the engine. Reconnect both the high pressure and return lines, making sure they are tightened properly to prevent leaks. Next, reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it has the correct tension. Finally, fill the power steering reservoir with the manufacturer-recommended fluid. The final steps involve bleeding the system and testing. Start the engine and slowly turn the steering wheel from lock to lock several times to bleed any air out of the system. Check all your connections for any leaks and ensure the power steering fluid level is correct. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Once everything looks good, you're all set with your new power steering pump.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.